to enter the group. Because some people are just being initiated for afternoon. It's those people who have done afternoon initiation and night initiation that are allowed. So you go there, you do some things that I don't want to talk about here. Then we go back to the temple with some things that we take from that group. Then the following day after Itonini, on that night we will do the night initiation. You remember we have done the afternoon. Is initiation. Yes. What we do in the afternoon will be repeated in the midnight. That is the day that some people will see the Obatala for the first time. That's what makes the festival in Ife to be different. If you do festival in other places, you cannot see Obatala there. So the Ijo will say they will bring the Orisha, which means Baba, the transformed Obatala. We bring it out. We carry some certain rites. We do prayers, and everybody will see, and you will feel the blessing. They will share it. I don't want to talk much, but that is the day you will know that yes, I'm happy. I'm now a full Obatala devotee. So after that initiation in the midnight, around 3:30, we will have to go for some prayers outside the chapel. The people in Ife, they already know this. The people, they don't come out to beat us.
So nobody will be outside?
No. It's compulsory for the new devotee and people who want to renew their whatever. So then after that Oru, you will see that this thing is very
the process
is the process are serious. You will now go back to Iranje the second time. That is when they must have make public announcements that people should please move away from the street we are going to pass through, because that's the day they will move the transformed Obatala spirit, call it body, call it anything, will take it down to Iranje, and they will not want everybody to be looking at it carelessly.
Oh, that's true.
So that's what they call Ipewo Day. That Ipewo Day, people that have done day initiation and night initiation are free to enter the group. You go for some veneration, and it will be ended with special prayers and whatever. I remember this year's on Ipewo Day, we returned to the temple at exactly 10 o'clock.
Wow.
I think I look at my wristwatch. Okay. So after Ipewo on the 28th, then we have Egbelus. Egbelus means people will be coming to share blessing with us. Egbelu Lemole, Egbelu Gogon, people will come. Other traditionalists, they know we have done day and night. We have done some veneration. They want to share from part of our blessing, and they will bless them too. So then on 23rd, that's one of the father of all this, we call it Ase Onirisa. That's the date that Oni, who is the head of the heads among the royal fathers, because we know Obatala as Alabalashe. Baba, the power that Almighty gave him was Ashe, authority.
Wow.
That authority, he gave it to Oni, being the head and custodian of that stool in Ile-Ife. So there are vow agreements, spiritual agreement that authority has to be renewed, because the authority belongs to Obatala, my progenitor. So that authority has to be renewed in his temple every year.
Wow.
So it is that on 23 that Onirisa we come to Obatala temple to renew that authority. Some venerations, some things we take on, and that is then day that we call Ekuru Tapa Day.
Ekuru
Itapa, when the Aremo Batala descendants in Ifon Orolu, whether and some other Aremo that descendant that goes to Ifon Mima, go to anywhere, everybody under Olufon will lead them to come to the temple to celebrate Ekuru Itapa. Olufon himself used to be there. This year, His Royal Majesty Oba Peter Oluwole Akinyoye III, the Aremo Batala and Olufon of Ifon, was in that temple when Onirisa also came to renew his authority. So it's like a dual celebration on that day. Then after Ekuru Tapa, after Ekuru Tapa, on 24, some things happen, like Metutu. Metutu, we do that, is some kind of veneration for Oni. Then on 25, we call it Inyaje. That's when they do Aje veneration.
Wow.
And that is normally happen at the shrine of Aje. If I've not told you this before, Aje is a daughter of Olokun.
Olokun.
Yeah. So we do that veneration in the Aje shrine. Is within vicinity of Ejigbo Meku Market. Ejigbo Meku Market was the first market in Ile-Ife.
Wow. So
that's another celebration. Later they will complete some other Egbelus, other traditionalists who come for, to share festival blessing. Then everything will be rounded up with Iyegbe. Iyegbe means veneration of different. Egbe I'm talking about is not association like white-clad.
Okay.
No.
It's not that.
No, it's spiritual society. I can call it classes.
Wow.
We have male, we have female, we have, spiritually we have, I think we have about 16 different society. Not this heavenly one, no. We know, a heartly one.
Okay.
The spiritual one, but we celebrate them from this art so that they can aid our spiritual growth.
Wow.
You will see this, what we do throughout the festival is very, very tasking. When you are talking of ceremony, it's very loud. When you are talking about veneration, it's very, is more than what you can imagine. I think that's just it.
Thank you very, very much. Really appreciate you. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
What do you have to say to our viewers?
Well, what we can say is that our tradition, be it Ifa, be it Ṣàngó, be it Ògún, be it Ọya, we are one. We should, whatever tradition or religion that doesn't tolerate peace,
wow,
should not be encouraged.
Should not be encouraged.
Yes, but I want to encourage us to tolerate one another, because we are all created, we are a product of the same creator, and all of us, we are under his roof.
Yes.
Whatever we are doing in our life for ourselves, it's like we are only helping God to beautify his spaces. Where we find ourselves is not our place.
Yes, it's not.
Whatever we are doing, to whether you are building a house, you are only assisting God to decorate his property. once your time is over, you will leave what belongs to him and you will go your way and you will know what happens. So why won't we live and love another? Conclusively, I want to encourage us to feel bold. To do what? To feel bold, to trace our background, our beginning, and face the reality. To know that there are traditions, and those traditions has to be sustained. May God help us.
Thank you very much, sir.
You are welcome.
Thank you.